So let's do the shopping cart. Okay? We'll do the shopping cart. So before I jump into this, let me kind of explain this. I explained this in the videos that I also made, but I also want to explain it for you guys. So I'll make this a little bit larger so you can see it. So here is an array list, right? An array list of product objects called products. And it's an empty array list to start. And then we add product objects to this array list. So product is the name of the list, adding's the method, and it's a new product. So my guess, we'll look at the constructor for a product in a second. My guess is the product takes a name and a price. And my guess is the name is a string, the price is a double. What do you think? Now let's see. So I'm going to go to product class. And sure enough, the name is a string and the price is a double. And the constructor for a product object takes a name and a string. So we're going to need this in a second. So what we want to do is we are going to want to go to the shopping cart class, and we are going to finish this method called getProduct that takes an index as a parameter and returns the product at that index. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. So let's go to the shopping cart here. So it's an array. I'm going to copy this products because I'm going to probably not want to type that in over and over again. Okay, and there is we're going to need to know this. The shopping cart constructor takes an array list as an input parameter, but let's go here. So here it is. So what I want to do is I just want to take my products. Oh, why am I typing it in when I copied it? Products.get, and I want to get the object that is at that index. So all I'm going to do. Now, here's the thing. If it's returning this and I am printing it out, there must be a toString method. There is. So look what the toString method does, okay? It loops through the products and it just keeps getting whatever product's at that index and it puts it at a new name. So there's one toString and that's all there is. So that's not bad. That's not bad. I figured it'd be there. Now let's do this one. Let's edit the product. So what I want to do is I want to take the product at an index and I want to add a new object at that index. So here's how we would do this. Now this is a void method. It's not returning it. It's just modifying that product list like kind of in place. So product dot set at index. Now here's the thing. I need to add a new product object. So this is a new product object, and a product object takes a name and a price. So I mean, I love this unit because it is starting to review a bunch of like older topics, like constructors, getters, setters, still finishing methods up. Guys, good? I would like to try to do this. I wonder if I could do no, it's a new one. I'd like to do like getters and setters, but anyway. All right, let's go back here. So now what we have to do is we need to instantiate a shopping cart object. So shopping cart, my cart is what I will call it. It's my cart. And that is a new shopping cart object that takes this products list as an input. Now, just for kicks, I want to print out, I just want to print out my cart and see what happens. All right? So I run. And so there is my shopping cart. Ooh, an iPhone, a MacBook Pro. Look at it, got some running shoes. Ooh, and a Canon EOS R5 for almost $4,000. And then The Legend of Zelda. So that's what it does when it prints it out. Now, so what we want to do is we need to we're going to call the get product method, and we're going to print the product object that is returned. So let's go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this just over and over again. What I want to do is I'm going to print out an empty list or an empty string just to leave like a little space in between the things I print out. And then what I want to do is I want to go my cart dot get product is the method. And let's get the product at index 0. Just it doesn't matter which one. I can't go more than 4. And so this should print out my cart and then just the iPhone, just that iPhone 1. So let's see what happens. So this right there is giving me all of that stuff, and this is the space that is here, and this is the iPhone 12. Now what I want to do, now this is tricky, so I want to use the setter method, or to edit, not the set method, I want to edit the product method, that edit product, but it is a void method, so I need to do this first. So what I need to do is I need to go my cart dot edit product, and I want to edit the product at index 0. So we're going to change the iPhone 12. I'm going to put in parentheses cheesecake, and then for the price, I'm just going to put in $15. So if you tried to system.out.println that, you'd get an error because this is not returning anything. It's just manipulating the cart. So I need to manipulate the cart, and now I can print out the cart. So I will do that, print out my cart. Now that will print out my entire cart, but it will have cheesecake for $15 in place of the iPhone 12. So let's see what's going on with this. Now hold on. Whoa. Why is there an iPhone there? That's that right there. Let me do this. Let me put in an empty, like an empty space there, or an empty line. Let's run it again, make it a little bit clearer. It feels better. So that system, my cart, is printing out this stuff here. And then I got a space. And then I print out the iPhone 12. And then I do another space. And then I have changed index 0 to be cheesecake. And then I print out that entire list. Let's run the test, because if we don't run the test, nothing matters. Man, I've been rocking this, guys.